Hello friends, today's topic, as per history, April could be positive for markets. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. There are three topics covered today and topic number one is markets recovered well in March after 5 consecutive months of decline. Analysts at JM Financial have done some research on the trend of market movement in April month. Over the past 10 years, Nifty in April has given positive returns on 7 occasions, delivering an average return of 2.4%. Meanwhile, the Nifty Mid-Cap Index has displayed an even stronger seasonal trend, closing positive in 8 out of 10 instances with an average return of 4%. Among sectors, metals 7% average returns, autos 5% average returns, energy 4.6% average returns in April month for the last 10 years. On the other hand, banks and FMCG sector have also been positive in April, closing positive on 7 occasions with average returns of 3.4 and 2% respectively. However, the technology sector has displayed weak seasonality in April, closing negatively on 7 occasions with an average return of -1%. Now coming to topic number 2. Yesterday, US President Trump announced 25% tariffs on all imports of cars, auto components and light commercial vehicles to the US. In 2023, the US accounted for nearly 16% of India's exports of auto items. For the European Union, 21% of its auto exports were to US. However, the tariffs on cars, auto components and light commercial vehicles are unlikely to impact India as such as markets like Mexico, Canada, South Korea and European Union. 94% of Canada auto exports and 83% of Mexico auto exports go to US. The automobile tariff is expected to be implemented from April 3. The US accounts for over 30 lakh crores of global imports of cars, car parts and LCVs, which is 20% of the global imports. In 2023, India exported rupees 1.42 lakh crores worth of automotive items. More auto components were imported to US from India compared to cars. So this tariff will impact auto component companies more than car manufacturing companies. Due to this announcement by President Trump yesterday, shares of automobile and auto components companies fell today. Weakness in automotive sector stocks. Tata Motors percentage change minus 5.5% down today. Samvardhana Motherson minus 2.2%. UNO Minda minus 1.5%. Balkrishna Industries minus 1%. Sona BLW minus 5.9%. JBM Auto minus 2%. Now coming to topic number 3. As per newspaper reports, Life Insurance Corporation is fine-tuning an agreement with Manipal Sigma Health Insurance for a significant minority stake. LIC, which has a market capitalization of 4.98 lakh crore, will buy a 40 to 49% stake in Manipal Sigma Health Insurance for a valuation of 3,500 to 3,750 crores. The deal will make it a three-way tie-up with LIC, Ranjan Pai's Manipal Education and Medical Group and US-based Cigna Corporation. The development marks the entry of LIC's entry into rapidly growing domestic health insurance markets. Health insurance sector makes up 37% of the country's general insurance market worth about 3 lakh crores. Since LIC has a strong network of branches, the deal also has the potential to disrupt the market. Most likely, this deal is likely to be announced on 31st March 2025. In the near future, IRDAI is likely to provide composite licenses to insurance companies to sell life and health insurance policies by a single company. As of now, LIC is just buying a stake in health insurance company and not directly selling health insurance through its brand. So the insurance sector is likely to see a lot of changes in the near future. End of the video, here is the question. In which company do you have a health insurance policy? Type in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.